We'll guide you through how to download and install WhatsApp on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I would say WhatsApp is a must-have app on your device. Loads of people go and use it. It's really convenient because you can go and message other types of users like iPhones, and it goes and uses the internet, so you will need to have Wi-Fi or mobile data. But it's really great as well because you can go and use it abroad for free as well. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and get it. So let's go and get started. So to go and download and install apps, you will need to go and have a Wi-Fi or mobile data or cellular data connection. You can look at the top here. What I prefer to do though is go and swipe up. Then what we need to do is go and find settings. By default, it should be on the first page, but you can always press search at the top and go and type in settings and open it up. Go to the top and you can go and find connections like so. And then you should just go and see Wi-Fi. I'm already connected, but what you can do is go and connect to your router and then you'll have a connection. You can go and use mobile or cellular data, but I think it's best to go and use Wi-Fi. Really, it's faster and you aren't going to go and be as limited by it. Go and open up the App Store on an Android phone. So this store is going to be the Play Store. So what you want to do is go and find it. It should be on the homepage. Otherwise, you can swipe up and then you can go to the top and press search and type in Play Store, or you can go and just swipe across and go and find it. So I've got it here. To go and use the Google Play Store, you need to use a Google account. So go to the top right and there you should go and see your profile icon, which you can then go and tap on and it'll go and open up. And now what we need to do is we need to go and log in if you aren't already. I already am. You can see my account at the top here. Find WhatsApp, so you can go and press search at the bottom. And then what you need to do is you can press the search bar at the top and go and type in WhatsApp. There it is. So it's this one here. You're going to go and know it's the right one because it's going to have 222 million reviews and 10 billion downloads, probably more in the future. And then what we can do here is go and press install like so. Go and wait, it shouldn't go and take too long. You can go and see it's downloading and then it will automatically start installing as well. You can see it's now installed and you can open it up. What we can do though is go and come out of the Play Store and swipe up, swipe across, and we should then be able to go and find it as you can see. You can tap and hold your finger on it and we can then go and press add to home. That's it. We can open it up and go and set it up and start using it.